My name is Mick Curran, and I am the creator and a co-developer of the NVDA screen reading software. I believe it's really important that all people, no matter what physical abilities they have, are able to interact with and share research and knowledge in the world. And I think that this presentation is going to be a great opportunity for people to find out just how they can make sure that their papers and research are accessible to those with disabilities, especially blind and vision impaired, through using HTML. We hope that you can join us for this presentation, a peek under the hood, HTML on arXiv using NVDA and LaTeXML, so that you can learn exactly just how all the magic happens and your papers are made accessible to those who are blind and vision impaired.
Hi, my name is Malik. I am a software engineer at Meta, and I'm a blind software engineer. So that's why it's very important for me to be able to access papers, to be able to read papers in a way that I can consume them. I am in machine learning. I'm a machine learning engineer, and so as a part of my work duties, I need to read many papers. And previously, it used to be very hard because papers are published in PDF format, which is not very accessible. I can almost say it's not accessible at all. Especially the math formulas are not accessible, and that was a big problem for my work. So why you should attend this event is because arXiv is doing some really great job promoting publishing papers in HTML format, which is much more accessible, and it allows visually impaired employees to consume modern research in a much easier way, and making this world more inclusive.
Hello, everyone. My name is Deang Ging. I work on the LaTeXML project together with Bruce Miller at the National Institute of Standards and Technology, and we are happy that we now have an ongoing collaboration with arXiv to produce accessible HTML for their articles. I personally got started on creating HTML for arXiv as a student project in the distant 2007, and it has been a very interesting experience to see how our initial motivation, which was making articles machine readable, for artificial intelligence, for math search, for even accessibility today, see this effort mature and become a more mainstream product now under arXiv's leadership. I think you should attend this event so that we can discuss where the pain points are. We can discuss what has been contributed through HTML and what steps we can take next to make this even better and create a fully accessible, perfect article experience for users that need this assistance. And I'm excited to be here with everyone. Thanks.
Hello, everyone. I'm Norbert Breining from arXiv. I recently joined arXiv to improve our tech experience. I have been involved in developing of tech, LaTeX, and in particular tech live for more than 2 decades now. And here in arXiv, we are moving into a direction to make our product, our research articles we are publishing more accessible, more inclusive. One of the biggest moves in this direction, thanks to members here present like Deang, is that we provide now HTML code for many articles. This is a great achievement from the LaTeXML team that allows us to produce this HTML from the tech code. At the same time, we want to improve accessibility on the PDF side itself. This is rather new development we will probably discuss in follow-up here.
The NVDA screen reader is open source, LaTeX and LaTeXML are open source, and arXiv is also open source. And so it's just a great, I guess, celebration of how we can bring all these wonderful tools together to make research more accessible to those who are blind and vision impaired.